Hey there, my incredible audience. Today we have a mind-blowing topic. Would AI really replace humans? The journey of artificial intelligence is nothing short of incredible. It's been a thrilling ride from its humble beginnings with simple algorithms to the complex neural networks we see today. This journey has seen AI evolve at an astonishing pace, taking on tasks that were once solely the domain of humans. From crunching numbers and analyzing colossal amounts of data, to predicting trends and even mastering the intricate game of chess, AI has shown us a glimpse of its potential. But, as AI becomes increasingly competent, there's a question that looms larger than ever. Can AI replace us? There's no easy answer, and it's a question that requires us to delve deep into the world of AI. Does that mean AI can replace us humans? Let's explore. AI has some incredible strengths that we can't deny. A marvel of modern technology, artificial intelligence is like a tireless machine, capable of crunching vast oceans of data in the blink of an eye. It doesn't need to take a break, it doesn't need to sleep. Around the clock, it's there, processing, analyzing, calculating. Imagine a task that requires sifting through millions of data points, searching for patterns or making precise calculations. For us humans, that's a daunting, time-consuming task. But for AI, it's a walk in the park. It can handle repetitive and data-intensive tasks with ease, making it an invaluable tool in many fields, from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. But here's the kicker. While AI excels in these areas, it's not without limitations. So, even though it's a brilliant tool, a fantastic assistant, and an incredible advancement, does that make it a replacement for humans? AI indeed shines in these areas, but does that make it a replacement for humans? Here's the deal, folks. Humans are unique. We're not just bundles of cells and neurons, but intricate beings brimming with creativity. Our minds are fertile grounds for imagination and innovation, birthing ideas that transform the world. And then there's emotion, a complex system of feelings and responses that color our lives and interactions. It's what makes us laugh, cry, love, and dream. We also possess intuition, that gut feeling that guides us when logic falls short. It's this intuition that helps us navigate the murky waters of uncertainty and make split-second decisions. And let's not forget our adaptability, a trait honed over millions of years of evolution. We've learned to thrive in environments from scorching deserts to icy tundra and everything in between. Our empathy allows us to connect with others on a profound level, to understand their pain, joy, hopes, and fears. Our consciousness gives us self-awareness, the ability to reflect on our actions and learn from them. And our complex decision-making processes, well, they're a blend of logic, emotion, and experience, allowing us to tackle problems from different angles. These qualities truly set us apart. So what happens when AI enters the workplace? AI is making waves in the job market, no doubt about it. It's stepping up to the plate, taking on tasks that were once solely in the human domain. From data crunching to customer service, AI is proving to be a game changer. Its ability to automate tasks can skyrocket efficiency, freeing up our time to focus on more complex problems. But here's the catch. With automation comes the potential for job displacement. It's a topic that's sparked heated debate worldwide. Will the rise of AI lead to a decrease in job opportunities? It's a valid concern, but perhaps we're looking at it the wrong way. You see, AI isn't here to snatch away our jobs, but rather to change the nature of work. It's here to take on the monotonous, repetitive tasks, enabling us to focus on what we do best, innovate, create, and connect on a human level. So it's more about collaboration than replacement. But what about the ethical concerns? We can't ignore the ethical concerns that come with AI. As we integrate artificial intelligence into more aspects of our lives, we are faced with questions about accountability and bias. Who is responsible when an AI makes a mistake? Is it the creator of the AI, the user, or the AI itself? These are not simple questions to answer. Another pressing concern is bias. AI is only as unbiased as the data it's trained on. If that data contains human biases, the AI will replicate them, leading to skewed decisions. This becomes particularly problematic when we consider using AI in areas like healthcare, finance, or legal matters. The potential risks of entrusting major decisions to AI are real. We must ensure that the use of AI aligns with our ethical standards, and that we have mechanisms in place to hold it accountable. Can we really entrust everything to algorithms? Let's look at what the future of AI might hold. The future of AI holds immense potential. It's not about robots taking over the world, but more about how this incredible technology can enhance our abilities, solve complex problems, and improve our lives. Imagine the possibilities. AI could help us understand climate change patterns, develop new medicines, or even explore distant galaxies. Yet, it's crucial to remember that AI is a tool, not a threat. It's something we control and direct, not the other way around. Its purpose is to assist us, to make our tasks easier, our decisions smarter, and our lives better. The potential of AI is boundless, and its future is bright. It's poised to revolutionize industries, transform societies, and shape the course of human history. But it's not about replacing us. It's about augmenting our abilities, expanding our horizons, and unlocking new opportunities. AI is a powerful tool in our hands, not a sci-fi takeover. So, will AI replace humans? The answer remains a resounding no. In conclusion, will AI replace humans? No, it won't. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the rise of AI to its strengths, from our unique human qualities to how AI is reshaping the workplace. Yes, AI is powerful, capable of processing vast amounts of data, making precise calculations, and working round the clock. But remember, it's not about replacing us. It's about augmenting our capabilities, automating certain tasks, and transforming the way we work and live. AI brings with it a wave of innovation and possibilities, but it also raises crucial ethical concerns. It's about striking a balance, about ensuring we use AI responsibly. We need to work together to navigate this brave new world, to ensure that AI is used ethically and to our benefit. The key is collaboration, understanding, and ethical usage. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more thought-provoking content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.